Hello everyone. I hope all are doing really good, really good. So in last class we were discussing about material variance. In material variance, I have discussed three topics, that is material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. In material price variance, in material usage variance, and in material cost variance, we have done one illustrations, I guess, and I have given one illustration in homework also. So चलिए, let us solve the illustrations now. I am sharing the PPT with you all, and we are going to solve the illustrations. Just give me a minute. I'm sharing the PPT. Material variance. Can you all see the PPT now? Is it visible? Okay. So I told you variance is a difference between the standard and actual performance. When the actual results are better than the expected results, then there will be a favorable variance. If actual results are worse than the expected results, then there will be adverse variance. Then we have discussed, okay, material variance. In material variance, I told you what is material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. Terms to be used: standard quantity SQ, actual quantity AQ, standard price SP, and actual price, that is AP. Material cost variance. Material cost variance is the difference between standard cost of material used and actual cost of material. Formula of material cost variance: standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. This was the illustration which we have solved in the last class. Now, what is material price variance? It is a major variance arise in the material cost due to difference in actual material purchase price and standard material purchase price. So in material price variance, we will compare the actual material purchase price with the standard material purchase price, and we will see whether the variance is in favor or it is in adverse. The formula to calculate material price variance is standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Then we have discussed material usage variance. It measures variance in the material cost due to usage or consumption of material. But so in material usage variance, we will see how much standard of material consumption we have set, and in actual how much material we have consumed, and then we will compare actual with standard. So formula of material usage variance is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Okay, now let us see the illustration. This illustration I have given you in homework. I hope you all have tried to attempt the homework. Please now check your answers, and those who have not done, please see how it will be done. Standard for a product, material 1000 unit. It is saying to manufacture a product we require material 1000 unit, and the rate is 10 per unit, and the standard rate is rupees 10 per unit. But in actual, when we manufacture the product, we consumed 1100 unit, and we purchased the unit at the rate rupees 9 per unit. Now you have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. Now let us solve this illustration. Solution. Let us do the solution. solution. Okay. So I think first we are going to calculate material cost variance. Okay. Material cost variance. Formula of material cost variance is standard standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. This is the formula: standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Material cost variance. What is the standard quantity? Standard quantity is 1000 units into standard price is rupees 10 per unit. Actual quantity we have consumed is 1100 units into actual price is rupees 9 per unit. One thousand into 10 is 10,000 minus 1100 into 9, that is 9900. So answer will be 100 favorable. Answer will be 100 favorable. That is good. Now, now let us calculate material price variance. Formula of material price variance is standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. This is the formula. You can see it here. Standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Material price variance. Standard price is 10 into actual quantity is 1100. Actual price is 9 into actual quantity is 1100. Material price variance. 1100 into 10, that is 11,000 minus 1100 into 9, that is 9900. So what will be the answer? The answer will be the answer will be 11,000 minus 9900. 1100 favorable. Now material usage variance. Formula of material usage variance is given here. Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. So standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Actual quantity into standard price. Material usage variance. Standard quantity is 1000. Standard price is 10. Actual quantity is 1100. Actual price is standard price is 10. 1000 into 10, 10,000 minus 1100 into 10, 11,000. 1000 adverse. Now you can check your answer also. Material price variance 1100 favorable minus material usage variance 1000 adverse. So what will be the net answer? 100 favorable. Got my point, everyone? चलिए, now let's move ahead then. चलिए, let's do some more illustrations now. I'm sharing the PPT with you and we are going to do some more illustrations. Now we will increase the level of illustrations. We will increase the level of illustrations. Okay, shall we start? Let's go. The standard and actual figure of product Z are as under. Standard and actual figure of product Z are as under. Material quantity 50 units. Standard. Actual quantity is 45 units. Material price. Standard is 5 and actual is 4. You have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. So बच्चों material quantity में it is saying that standard quantity to manufacture a product Z is 50 units, but in actual we have consumed 45 units. Material price per unit is rupees 5 standard and actual is rupees 4. You have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. चलिए, solution. Material cost variance. Formula is standard quantity into standard price actual quantity into actual price. Material cost variance. Standard quantity is how much? Standard quantity is 50 units. Standard price is 5 rupees. Actual quantity is 45 units. Actual price is 4 units. 4 units. 4. Actual price is 4 per unit. Okay. Material cost variance equals to 250 minus 45 into 4. 45 into 4. 180. 250 minus 180. Answer is 70 favorable. Now, material price variance. Formula of material price variance is standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Material price variance. Standard price is 5 into actual quantity is 45. Actual price is 4 into actual quantity is 45. Material price variance. 5 into 45. 225. 225 minus 45 into 4. 180. So 225 minus 180. 45 favorable. Material usage variance. What is the formula of material usage variance? Standard quantity into standard price. Actual quantity into standard price. Standard quantity is how much? Standard quantity is 50. Standard quantity is 50. Standard price is 5. Actual quantity is how much? 45 into standard price is 5. 250 minus 45 into 5. 225. That is 25 favorable. Now you can check your answer. 45 favorable plus 25 favorable, that is 70 favorable. It means your answer is correct. Got my point, everyone? Shall we move ahead now? Chalo. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Illustration. NXE manufacturing concern furnishes the following information. Standard. Material for 50 kg finished product 100 kg and price of material is rupees 3 per kg. Actual output is 2 lakh 40,000 kg and material is 4 lakh kg. Cost of material is rupees 10 lakh. Calculate material usage variance, material price variance and material cost variance. Chali. So, but it is saying that NXE manufacturing concern the following information. Material for 50 kg finished product is 100 kg. It means to make 50 kg of finished product, we use 1000 kg, 100 kg of material. To produce 50 kg of finished product, we consume 100 kg of raw material. Price of material is rupees 3 per kg. In actual, we produced 2,40,000 kg. In actual, we produced 2,40,000 kg. Material consumed is 4 lakh kg and cost of material is 1 lakh kg. Okay. So let us see. First, what is standard quantity? Sir, it is saying 100 kg material is required for 50 kg of finished product. It means every 2 kg of material is required for 1 kg of finished product. That is standard quantity per unit. Standard quantity per unit is how much? 2 kg. That is 100 divided by 50. 100 kg material is required for 50 kg of finished product. It means 2 kg of material is required to produce 1 kg of finished product. So, standard quantity per unit is 2 kg. Now, what is standard price per unit? Standard price per unit is 3. It is given. Actual quantity per unit. Two lakh 40,000 kg of output from 4 lakh kg of material. But so to produce 2 lakh 40,000 kg of output, we consumed 4 lakh kg of material. So what is actual material per unit, actual quantity per unit? That is 4 lakh divided by 2 lakh 40,000. So let me check. 4 lakh divided by 2 lakh 40,000. Okay. Then the quantity, actual output, actual material, actual standard cost per unit. चलिए So, oh, just a minute, where we were. Yes, 2 kg per unit. We require 2 kg per unit. So, what is the standard quantity? What is the total standard quantity? Standard quantity. How much is standard quantity? Standard quantity is we manufacture 2,40,000 output, 2,40,000 finished product, and every finished product is requiring 2 kg of material. It means 4,80,000 kg. 4,80,000 kg. Standard price per unit is 3, and actual quantity is actual quantity actual quantity is 4 lakh kg. Actual quantity is given in the question, that is 4 lakh kg. And you can see actual material consumed is 4 lakh kg. Cost of material is 10 lakh. So I can calculate actual price. Actual price per unit. That is divided by 4 lakh. That is how much? 2.5. So standard quantity is 4,80,000 kg. Standard price per unit is 3. Actual quantity per unit is 4 lakh kg, and actual price per unit is 2.5. Okay. So now let's solve the answer. Material cost variance. Formula is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So material cost variance. Standard quantity is 4,80,000 kg. Four lakh 80,000 kg. Standard price is 3 per kg. Actual quantity is 4 lakh kg into actual price is 2.5. Material cost variance. 4,80,000 into 3. 14,40,000. 14,40,000. 4 lakh into 2.5, 10 lakh. 4,40,000. Favorable. So material cost variance is 4,40,000 favorable. चलिए. Now material price variance. Material price variance. Formula is material price variance. Formula is actual. What is the formula of material price variance? That is standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. चलिए. Standard price into actual quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Material price variance. What is standard price? Standard price is 3 into what is actual quantity? Actual quantity is 4 lakh. actual actual price is 2.5 into actual quantity is 4 lakh. Material price varies. 12 lakh minus 10 lakh. 2 lakh favorable. Answer is 2 lakh favorable. Now, material usage variance. Material usage variance. What is the formula of material usage variance? Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Material usage variance. Standard quantity is 4 lakh 80,000 into standard price is 3. Actual quantity is 10 lakh into standard price is 3. 4 lakh. 4 lakh into 3. So, material usage variance. 4 lakh 80,000 into 3 minus 12 lakh. 2 lakh 40,000 favorable. Now you can check the answer. 2 lakh favorable plus 2 lakh 40,000 favorable. 4 lakh 40,000 favorable. So, bachcho, I hope now you all know how we are going to calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. Chaliye. Now let's move ahead. Z Limited furnishes the following information. Standard quantity to produce 1 kg of finished product is 3 kg. Standard price is 5 kg. It is saying standard quantity to produce 1 kg of finished product is 3 kg. It means to produce 1 kg of finished product, we consume 3 kg of material. The standard price per unit of material is rupees 5. Actual production was 10,000 kg. Actual production was 10,000 kg. Actual material consumed was 40,000 kg. Actual production was 10,000 kg and actual material consumed is 40,000 kg. Price is rupees 4 per kg. Price is rupees 4 per kg. Calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. Check. First of all, standard quantity. It is saying we require 3 kg of material to produce 1 kg of finished product. We have produced 10,000 kg of finished product. So, bachcho, as per standard, this 10,000 kg of finished product should be prepared by using 30,000 kg of material. That is 10,000 into 3. So, standard quantity is that is 10,000 into 3. So actual production was 10,000 kg. For every unit, we require 3 kg of standard material. So I've calculated standard material will be requiring 30,000 kg. Then standard price. Standard price is 5 per kg. 5 per kg. Then actual quantity we have consumed is 40,000 kg. Actual price. Actual price is rupees 4 per kg. Actual price is 4 per kg. Now let's do the calculation. Material cost variance. What is the formula of material cost variance? Formula of material cost variance is standard price into standard quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Material cost variance. Standard price is 5 per kg. Standard quantity is 30,000. Actual price is 4. Actual quantity is how much? 40,000 kg. 30,000 into 5. 1,50,000. 40,000 into 4. 1,60,000. Now the answer will be 10,000 adverse because it is coming in negative. The answer is coming in negative. It means 10,000 adverse. Material price variance. Formula is actual price into actual quantity standard price into actual quantity. Actual price is 4 into actual quantity is 40,000. Standard price is 5 into actual quantity is 40,000. 40,000 into 4, that is 1,60,000. 40,000 into 5, that is 2 lakh. Answer will be 40,000 adverse. Answer will be 40,000 adverse. Got my point? Okay. Now material usage variance. Material usage variance. Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into standard price. Material usage variance. Standard quantity is how much? Standard quantity is 30,000 into standard price is 5. Actual quantity is 40,000 into standard price is 5. 30,000 into 5, 1,50,000. 40,000 to 5, 2 lakh. 50,000 favorable. 50,000. So, bachcho, got my point? Is there any doubt now? Is there any doubt? Okay. So, now let's move ahead. For making 10 kg of Chemco, illustration is saying for making 10 kg of Chemco, the standard material required is material A 8 quantity 8, material B quantity 4. It is saying for manufacturing 10 kg of Chemco, we require two material. For manufacturing 10 kg of Chemco, we require two material, A and B. Material A is required 8 kg and material B is required 4 kg. Rate per kg is of material 8 6 rupees per kg and of material B 4 rupees per kg. So बच्चों, to manufacture 10 kg of Chemco we require mixture of two material, material A and material B. Material A is consumed 8 kg to manufacture 10 kg of Chemco and material B is consumed 4 kg to manufacture 10 kg of Chemco. Rate per kg of material A is 6. Rate per kg of material B is rupees 4. During April, 1000 kg of Chemco were produced. But during April, we produced 1000 kg of Chemco. The actual consumption of material is under. You all know that to manufacture Chemco, we require material mix of two category, A and B. Now, in reality, in actual, we produce 1 kg of Chemco. And to produce 1 kg of Chemco, we consumed 750 kg of material A and 500 kg of material B. To manufacture 1000 kg of Chemco, we consumed 750 kg of material A and 500 kg of material B. Rate of material A in reality in actual is 7 rupees per kg and rate of material B is 5 rupees per kg. You have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. Now बच्चों, standard is given on 10 kg and in actual we produced 1000 kg. So can comparison possible? Can we compare 1000 kg with 10,000 kg? Is the comparison possible? No, sir. So what can I do? Sir, you take the standard up to actual and then you can compare. It means I have to take the standard on 1000 kg only. Because in reality, in actual, we produced 1000 kg of Chemco. So what we will do, we will also take the standard of 1000 kg. Now the actual 1000 kg will be compared with the standard 1000 kg. Then the comparison will be possible. But to compare 1000 kg with 10,000 kg is not possible. We have to take them both same. Standard and actual both should be same. Only then we can compare. So what we will do in this illustration, we will take the standard also on 1000 kg because the actual unit we produced is 1000 kg. So we will take the standard also in 1000 kg so that actual 1000 kg can be compared with standard 1000 kg. Then the comparison can be possible. So you have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. Three type of variances you have to calculate. Now बच्चों, this is your homework. This is your homework. You have to calculate three type of variances: material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. I am repeating it once again. It is saying to manufacture 10,000 kg of Chemco, we require two material, A and B. Material A, we have consumed 8,000 kg, and material B, we have consumed 4 kg. Rate per kg of material A is 6 and standard rate per kg of material B is 4. In reality, we produced 1000 kg of Chemco, and to produce 1000 kg of Chemco, material A is consumed 750 kg and material B is consumed 500 kg. The actual rate of material A is 7 and actual rate of material B is 5. You have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance. Please everyone try this illustration as your homework and next class we are going to discuss this. Please everyone try to solve this illustration at your home so that when in next class I will solve this illustration, you will get a clarity that where you were wrong. So this is your homework. Please everyone either take a photo or you can take a screenshot and try to solve this illustration at your home. So thank you everyone for joining. Please everyone take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.